How to launch the 1000 Dreams app. Hello, my name is Averdim, and note that I didn't say how to download the app because ours is a progressive web app. It doesn't live on any app store, it lives on web. So we launch it. But you want it functioning as a native app. So it's super easy once you know how. So we go to app.athousanddreams.world. As you know, our site is 1000dreams.world. So you just add app dot. And then you add the web page to your home screen. Let me show you. This is an example of an iPhone, and it varies a lot depending on the device. So hopefully this helps. On iPhone, what you do is you go to your Safari or your browser, and then you put app.athousanddreams.world, and you'll see our app. But you are on the browser, and you would like to add this to your home screen so you can use it as any other native app. So in this case, you go to the three dots, and in this case you have view more options in this arrow, and then you find the option share. So it is as if you were going to share this web page with someone else. And then finally, if you put share, you have the option of adding the web page to your home screen, and you do. As you can see, I have it twice. I have it here and I have it up here because I've shown this example many times, and you can create a bookmark as many times as you want, but you only need one. And if you have more than one, you just delete the one that doesn't have the notifications, because you'll see the number on top, like 25 notifications or whatever. So this is on mobile phones, and on desktop, you'll find this message when you get to app.athousanddreams.world. It says narrow your browser window. Why? Because we haven't optimized yet for desktop, because we are waiting to have a very polished version of the app before doing so. So you just grab the web page by one edge and you drag it to the left until you see the app appear, and then you work over there normally as in the app on your phone. We do offer free orientation sessions if there is any other doubt or comment. These sessions offer an introduction to the entire project of 1000 Dreams, what we set out to achieve with the app, how to launch it again in detail, and the types of dreams and dashboards. Because one of the many benefits of having a progressive web app is that it takes the language that is in the setup of your browser. So it can service a lot of people in speaking different languages throughout the world. So that is one great benefit. Also, the speech to text converter, the speech to text feature, the recording, it gets the language that is on the setup of the browser. So that's that. So that's your original dream, is always private. But if you want to convert it for analysis, then the converted dreams have a different dashboard. And if those dreams you want to modify and then make public or share with some minor adjustments, if you want, then those public dreams have a global dashboard. So that is to say that your dreams, original dreams in your language with your basic dashboard, that's always private, always for you. And if you create a converted version or you publish that converted version, those are independent of your original dream. This is what we explain in the orientation session, but also relevant features that are available now and relevant features that are coming in the near future that I am very excited about. I honestly never imagined I was going to be such a fan of this app, and I became one. I wasn't expecting this. So if you want to book a free orientation session with us, there are two ways. You can go to 1000dreams.world and go to the workshop menu, and then you scroll down until you find the events. Or you can go to Facebook, 1,000dreams144, and then we normally create the events, and then you can, on your Facebook account, you can say you're interested in attending. So that's that. Hopefully, this is super, super easy. Um, and, we do believe that dreams are for real and you have the choice. And so we're making this available to you for free, hopefully for a very, very long time, hopefully. But in any case, see you on the orientation session or see you in the app. See you soon in any case. Bye bye.